Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today we have a Hayve, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's spelled that's H-A-V-E, so you can say Hayve or Hayve. It depends on your preference, but surely there's the right name. The right pronunciation for its name. Here's a pamphlet that came with it, and here's the main unit, the main head of the digital microscope. This microscope anyway is from Lazada. I'm gonna post the link below from where I bought it. And this is a 1200 times soldering microscope. And you can also use this for coin or magnifying watches, so you can inspect for any faults in your watches. Anyway, this is the base, the neck that holds the LCD screen of this microscope. So I bought it for 2,959. It was a discounted price at that time, but the price always changes from time to time. So I am suggesting that you do not quote my price on this. Just always check the link from Lazada and make sure that if you wish to buy this, wait for the right time. Sometimes they apply discount for this particular item. So this is a DM9-A model, and the resolution is 1080p for video, and it can come up with 12 megapixel photos, and the screen size is 7-inch diagonally. So it's a pretty decent display for a small microscope. The magnification range is from 10 times to 1200 times. At least that's what it says from its box. It comes with two lights, which are additional lights for illuminating the subject, apart from the main LED light that is attached to its LCD. It also came with this remote control, which is actually not a remote control because it is attached to the main body, or you can plug it to the main screen, and you can control the operation from that button instead of directly pressing the buttons attached to the screen. It has a free 32GB microSD for saving the pictures and videos should you want to record videos of your subject. The focusing is at the neck and below the LCD. As you can see, you can adjust its focus. The intensity of its focusing from that neck. And as you can see from the LCD, it can actually zoom to a maximum of maybe around 500 times or 600 times or even 1000 times. I'm not really sure about it. But here's a pocket watch. As we all know, watches have small parts. Those small and delicate parts are hard to see with the naked eye. So using a digital microscope like this one can actually help you with your watch repair or watch maintenance. As you can see from here, we can clearly see the moving parts of that watch. You can really see it up close. And if you are a watch repair person, you may know you can easily tell if this watch is in need of servicing or not yet. So right now I plug those two extra LED lights to a 5-volt power supply. By the way, this LCD is rechargeable, and you don't need to keep it plugged every time you use it. Just charge it and you can use it right after it is fully charged. Now those little two additional lights, they need extra external power source for them to work. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.